Mastering phrases. Take a brisk walk. Hello and welcome, dear language enthusiasts. Today, we'll embark on a linguistic journey to understand a common but picturesque English phrase, take a brisk walk. This phrase paints a vivid picture of an activity that's not only about movement but also about the pace and energy it involves. So, get ready to delve into the nuances and usage of this intriguing phrase. Take a brisk walk might seem straightforward, but it's rich with meaning. The word brisk here is the heart of the phrase. It's not just any walk. It's a walk characterized by vigor, energy, and a certain speed. It's faster than a stroll but definitely not a run. Imagine a walk that's lively and purposeful, where each step is taken with a certain zest and efficiency. Let's break down the phrase further. Take. In this context, take isn't just about physically grabbing something. It's about choosing or deciding to engage in an action. When you take a walk, you're setting out to walk deliberately. A brisk is an adjective that infuses the noun that follows with a sense of quickness and energy. It implies a certain level of activity and alertness. Walk, the simplest part of the phrase but the foundation of it. A walk is a paced movement on foot, usually slower than a run but purposeful in its own right. Now, let's see how to weave this phrase into your daily conversations. After hours of work, I decided to take a brisk walk to clear my mind. The doctor advised her to take a brisk walk every morning to improve her health. They took a brisk walk through the park, enjoying the crisp morning air. These examples show how the phrase can be used to describe an activity that's both physically invigorating and mentally refreshing. Take a brisk walk is more than just a set of words. It's an invitation to engage in an activity that revitalizes the body and refreshes the mind. Whether it's for health, relaxation, or just to break the monotony of a sedentary routine, a brisk walk can be a delightful escape. We hope this video helps you not just understand the phrase but also inspires you to maybe take a brisk walk yourself. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.